it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Live. And in today's video, we thought we would take you all along with us to see what we get up to in Liverpool.
We just thought it'd be really lovely to take everyone along with us as we have to go to Liverpool for a couple of days.
We do. Can't wait to find out what we're going to get up to. Maybe we could chat about it on the train, ma'am.
I think that's a great idea. Thought to be more relaxing, we would go by train.
Absolutely.
I think we better get everything ready because we'll have to leave in a few minutes.
I know.
There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. Life is a winding road. No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights. Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if morning framed by golden sunlight. A morning close friends travel together. Never wanting this to end. Singing in the car and then our destination's here. Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still, then all we know is when we get there, through anything and back again. And if you knew the way you get me, whatever we were born to do, then all we know is when we get there, the desert won't be anything.
So excited on the wheel. We're going to the Indian tiffin room.
Hey, you couldn't see it coming. You might have thought it, but you couldn't change it. Hey, it's not right or wrong. It's about trying, find the silver lining. Rain and fire, highs and lows, you name it. Cold and warmth, laughs and cries, you have it. The world goes by, and by the time it does, you missed it. You didn't see it, flew by. 'Cause time's not waiting for me or you. I wait for you. No, I wait for you. Nothing can break us through. I wait for you. Counting every hour, every second makes it easier to keep on breathing. At night in my dreams I find peace, I remember it all. And all it takes is faith.
Here at the Indian tiffin room, I think I have decided I'm going to have the onion dosa.
As soon as I read that one out to you, you were very much, that sounds the best for you.
Absolutely. Because I love the dosa in Manchester when we met up with Mel, didn't we, ma'am?
Oh, it was amazing. You've got to link the video.
Absolutely. Pani Puri. Don't forget to put it all in at once.
That's it.
Sean is like me, so instead of being fish, there's some bit, which he has done some of. So it's a bit more about team leadership,
Amazing.
my relationship.
He's a smoozer. Smells amazing, doesn't it?
It really does.
Oh, that's so soft and so delicious. Wonderful kick as well. It's about straight into the tamarind.
That is so good.
It really is. Now the mint as well.
Oh wow. That goes really well too, doesn't it?
It really does. The mint tastes like it cools it down too, doesn't it?
It does. Do you enjoy it?
Yes, please.
I think I'll pick you up next week.
Come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can try.
The vegan garlic naan's amazing, isn't it, man?
Really so tasty.
How's yours, man?
I'm just about to try it. Yes, so good.
Yes, it's incredible, isn't it?
It really is.
What do you mean, but change over?
No, where to start, my daughter?
I don't know where you're going to start.
I think I was going to start with trying the garlic naan in the coconut dip.
Oh, I think that sounds like a great idea.
Oh, have you had mum?
I was a member 10 years ago here. There were 300 members then. Just 100.
Wow,
It's lovely, isn't it?
it really is.
So it needs to be
It's a lot of work.
In the tomato. Oh, wow.
Yeah, how to do that?
I tried the samba now as well.
They took middle range employees from the banks.
Wow.
The banks, which
Oh, that's so
Can I
good.
try yours, man?
had a lot of contacts.
very powerful.
Yeah, very powerful, good contacts, good quality knowledge about the
Thank you.
market and about who is who, and it went like this.
I shot in the team.
It's incredible, man.
I think
It also tastes
that-
delicious.
I'm only a member, but looking on CC
Yes, please. The Sichuan rice.
license in USA.
It's really good, isn't it?
It is not too much spice either.
Do you enjoy it?
Yes, please. Just trying some of the onion dosa.
That looks amazing.
My company came, part of my company, so the start came CEO for one organization, then CFO, and
That's so good.
CFO done the job. I found a lot of money between the fingers.
It's going to be so lovely with the dips as well, isn't
She's
it?
working
I
like,
think it's going to be really lovely
like 20, 30
And samba.
hours
Absolutely the samba.
business.
It's so lovely to be able to enjoy this delicious southern Indian dish.
It really is.
Switzerland is
Just what's right in the middle of the onion dosa. Here you go, ma'am. Try some as well.
find you people with who you can start the business.
Smells amazing.
It really does. Oh, wow. Oh, that's so good.
It really is. Can we try it in the coconut?
Marvelous.
Oh wow. It's incredible. Shall we enjoy it from them?
I think that's a great idea.
I won't try to change your mind, 'cause I'm always on your side. Time moves faster when you're
Oh my gosh. Everything was absolutely delicious, wasn't it, ma'am?
It really was.
That dosa definitely did defeat me.
It defeated you. My curry defeated me.
But it was all absolutely incredible, wasn't it?
So we definitely will come back to it again when we're in Liverpool.
Absolutely, it's wonderful and so lovely as well, isn't it?
The second guy which has
Time to go back now to the hotel,
That's it. You got time to go back to the hotel.
sleep this food off.
What is he doing? The
I
same
think the
thing
walk is going to help, and then take the food off.
How is it?
They say that time is free. Then why is it so precious? Oh,
My gosh, All that food tonight was absolutely incredible, wasn't it, Mum?
It really was. I enjoyed everything. Definitely can't wait to be able to go back to the Indian tiffin room.
Absolutely. And there are quite a few around the UK as well, aren't there?
There are. We've been to the one in Manchester.
We have. And now Liverpool.
That's it. I think whenever we go anywhere, we'll check if there's an Indian tiffin room there.
Definitely. We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd like to know where you go on a short trip.
I think that's a great idea.
It's always so lovely to know where people have been.
It is.
The next video will be what else we get up to in Liverpool.
We've got a few ideas.
We
I
have.
think we'll sleep on it.
Definitely. We really hope to see you all here again next time.
Bye.
Take care.